Hey friends, how are you? This is the last little bit of the Working Elf Blues. It might be a little choppy because there's the chorus in the middle, which you all know. So I'm going to do my best here. So this is starting at 1 minute and 35 seconds. Black ball change, windy ball change, black ball change, windy ball change, toe, heel, toe, right, left, right, ball change, hold, 1, cross over, step over, 5, 6, 7, 1, that was actually supposed to be 8, and then you start on 1, 2, 3, 4, a 6, a 7, back, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, turn, 2, 3, turn around again, right, left, back side, this is the ending, back, 2, 3, forward pivot, then you're going to have your little acting moment with your fellow dancers. Then you hear the jingle bells. You're going to turn back over your right shoulder. Ms. Melissa's going to say, all right, ladies, and go lateral change,